Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to have you here. In today's video, I'll be reviewing not one but 4 new fragrances Bath & Body Works launched in India this year, and I'm so excited for the video guys. Let's get into it. A disclaimer before I proceed to the video guys, I know perfumes and body mists are a very personal thing and every one of you have a different taste. So this is entirely based on my opinion on how I feel about them and coming to a middle ground about how they smell like and what they feel like. That's all about this video, so keep watching guys. The first body mist we'll be talking about is this. It's Open Sky. I mean, look at how pretty the bottle looks like. It definitely looks like, you know, there's a beautiful sky and ombre effect going on here. I mean, it's so pretty and I'm actually in love with this fragrance. And I saw it in the month of Jan online on their website, but I was like really skeptical on picking it up because I didn't know how it smells like, and I regret not buying it on the first moment itself. But yeah, I got it during a discount sale, so that was also a good thing for me because I got it during Valentine's when I went out with my mom and we were all shopping the entire day. So I got these two on the same day. So even this is coming next. So this is Open Sky guys. I'll read out the fragrance notes. It's fresh blackberry, sunrise violet and vanilla clouds. So this fragrance is very, very fresh. I would say it's so sweet and fresh. It has a very, slight florally thing about it. And I knew it was reminding me of something from my childhood. And I knew it was a powder I really used in my childhood. I couldn't get my hands on which one it was. So I kept spraying it for like a day or two. And I finally realized it was actually Pond's Magic, the purple one, not the pink one, the purple one. I'll just show you a picture right here. So this is the one I'm talking about. It smells so similar to that. I actually went to the nearby store to actually find that. I sniffed it and it smells so identical guys. I'm not even kidding. I feel like 90% of this smells exactly like that, and I was shook and I was like, wow, it smells so similar to that. And if you're a person who doesn't like putting powder, then this is a good alternative. But if you don't want to spend so much money on buying a Bath & Body Works product, you could just get that powder guys, because it smells so similar to that. And I don't think you have to buy this if you actually are okay using powders. I'm serious about that. It actually smells like that. It smells so similar to that. But I love this smell. It's so cheerful. It's so happy, magical. I just love it. And I could definitely see an anime girl wearing this, a very cheerful, happy little girl just jumping around wearing this. This is the kind of mist she would opt for. So that is the thing. If you're a person like that, you can definitely try this out. It's a very beautiful smell guys. So the next one we'll be talking about is Pure Wonder, and it's a really good fragrance, and I would say like it's kind of more a sophisticated one, not like Open Sky. This is a more of an elevated one, I would say. This has ice, rose, star jasmine and amber. Those are the notes, and I can definitely pick up the jasmine, but it's not like so strong. Actually, in fact, I'm a person who hates jasmine and I get really, nauseous when I smell jasmine, but this doesn't give me that happening. It's actually a very good fragrance, and I'm actually I love it. It's just really good. It does smell expensive. It doesn't smell cheap. It just has a different touch to it, and I would recommend you guys to buy this only if you're adding it on to your collection, not as a starter. Maybe adding on a few new ones. Oh my god, it's summer, it's sweaty and I can't even switch on the fan because obviously the voice would go cracky. Anyways, so this is it. I really like this, and it does smell expensive. So if you're like that girl who likes dressing up elegant and wants to add something onto your collection, this is a really good go-to. But I wouldn't recommend this for a starter. I mean, there are better alternatives you can get from Bath & Body Works if you're just a starter who is just starting to collect few new fragrances from Bath & Body Works. If you're just a starter, please don't go for it. Unless you really dig it and it feels like your personal style, go for it, or else no. So the next one we'll be talking about is this one. It's Fairytale. Yes, guys, it's finally in India and it's been a month since it's available in the stores. I was like waiting for this to finally come here because I kept hearing so many YouTubers go crazy about this one, and I really wanted to see if it was worth the hype, whether it really smells like what I imagined it would smell like, because it was so hyped. I'm telling you, I heard every YouTuber who talks about Bath and Body Works mention this one, and I would, I have my personal opinions on this one. I mean, the packaging is beautiful. I mean, just alone for the packaging, I think you might go crazy about it. Like the holographic effect and those pretty butterflies. I mean, it's like, it definitely screams by me. Yes, it does. Yes, it's not very, fairy tale like. I thought it could be something a princess could wear and stuff like that. But no, it's a very, it has a very foresty feel to it. It's not, I thought it would be something similar to Open Sky with maybe You're the One and some mixture of that going on, something where it's like very sweet, very, sophisticated and stuff like that. Yeah, I know it is a good fragrance. I am not telling it's a bad one, guys. Again, don't get me wrong. It's not what I expected it to be. That's all I'm trying to say. So I could say that this would be a fragrance. If you've seen the movie Moana, if you see Goddess Tefiti, the island goddess, the green one, I would expect her to wear this. It smells like her to me. It's a very, a very earthy fragrance. It has so much of, I would say it has so much of green, woody fragrances and vanilla and going on with it. It's just not I expected it to smell like. It's nice, it's very pretty, and I'm not saying it's a completely woody fragrance, don't get me wrong. It's a very foresty like smell. It takes you to that place where you feel like you're in a very enchanted forest. Yeah, I mean, now that explains better, but it's just not what I expected it to be. But it is really beautiful, no doubt. It is a unique smell. It is, if it's your style, you would definitely love it. It's a very unique smell, and I know I would say after maybe 5-10 minutes of wearing it, it gets really better. So I don't like the top notes, maybe that's what's happening. So anyways, I'll read out the notes. It's pomegranate nectar, fresh orange blossom, and vanilla bean. And I love vanilla bean, so maybe vanilla bean is what makes me like it the most. But it's not something I expected, but I would definitely still give it a really good rating because it smells good. It's just that it never met my expectations on what it looked like and what it felt like. So this is the bottle, guys. I know it's so pretty, and this is about it. This one, it's Gingham Heart of Gold. Now it looks so pretty. It just looks expensive, and it doesn't smell like the original Gingham, the blue and white one. This one definitely has a different smell to it, and I will read out the notes for you. It has crisp golden apple, creamy vanilla bean, and warm sandalwood. It's such a woody fragrance. It's a fruity, woody fragrance which has, that sandalwood just makes it so warm. And I like the fact that this has apple. Like, this is the only apple scent I really like from Bath and Body Works. I hate the winter candy apple. Even though it's good, it just gives me a headache. So I think this is like a really good alternative because I really wanted an apple scented fragrance mist, not because I really like apples, but it's something I wanted to add in my collection. And I finally have this one, and it's really nice, and I love the sandalwood. I don't really smell the vanilla so much. I really don't get that, but the sandalwood is strong, and the apple, you can definitely feel it. It's not a very strong, sharp smell. It's very mild, and I really like how this one smells like, and it doesn't smell anywhere near to the original Gingham, guys. It is a totally different thing, and I would say that this is also an add-on. I wouldn't recommend it as a starter unless, again, if it's your preference or your taste. But if not, then please just consider it as an add-on and not as your starter collection, because it is unique, but it doesn't stand out in a different way or something. But it's a beautiful scent. That's all I have to say about this. So all in all, guys, I really love the new fragrances which are coming to India these days, and I feel like Bath and Body Works is really doing a great job with bringing out new fragrances, and it's like something new all the time. And out of all of them, the one I really like the most is obviously Open Sky. Again, I really love it, and I think I will continue buying it again and again. So this is it for the video, guys. I hope you guys like it, and I hope I gave you enough of information to make you guys choose a better fragrance for yourself. Please do subscribe, like and comment, guys. Thank you so much.